Zimbabwe is considering a major overhaul of its voter registration process. According to Nick Mangwana, there are proposals to automatically register citizens who turn 18 on the voters' roll, and the Registrar General will take responsibility for the voters' roll from the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, ZEC. Additionally, deceased individuals will be automatically removed from the roll. However, this move has been met with serious criticism from Zimbabweans on social media. Many are questioning the timing and the motivations behind the proposal, citing concerns about data security, privacy, and potential manipulation of the voter roll. Some argue that the government should prioritize economic and social issues over electoral reforms. Let's look at some of the comments that followed the statement from Nick Mangwana. The first comment reads, "This is very good and sound idea, but Zimbabwe is not ready for it. Although the intention is very clear to innovate, build and keep on improving, our institution of democracy is however going to be totally obliterated on the other hand with such kind of an innovation, which is something that we don't want to even contemplate dealing with. It's not a secret that Zanu PF has always had ghost voters, voting and keeping them in power for all these years. So imagine a situation where we have 18-year-olds who some of them are staying in diaspora and that do not even have an intention to vote being automatically registered to vote by a political party whose government is notorious in rigging elections. You want to use their votes to advance your narrow political agendas and nothing else, as fancy and as convenient and innovative as it sounds. So they will be automatically be registered, with which address? When voting comes after 5 years, how will they know their polling station? How can the voters' roll be audited when it's in the hands of Zanu PF Registrar General? A rigging plan back in motion. Voting is a choice. Why should I be automatically forced to vote? They will also automatically vote for another non-party. If Zimbabweans could vote in Mozambique, then this automation will work in another part's favor. So these are basically some of the comments that follow the statement.